Namaskar, I am Asmita. We are the students of 6th from Balayesu English Medium High School in India's Development, Science and Technology. I introducing my colleagues in program. She is Srinidhi. She is Srinidhi. She is Shrestha. She is Anvita. He is Junaid. He is Vidya. She is Bonasri. He is Sharan. She is Bhavyanjali. She is Rishita. He is Rajkumar. She is Vaishnavi. He is Ayan. She is Sahitya. She is Ushasri. She is Vaishnavi. She is Satvika. Introduction of Science and Technology. Science and Technology career for society progress and life easier, healthier, to more connected the driving innovation for medicine, transportation, communication and education. It leads to be a better life of economic growth and solution of a global challenges. They improve daily conditions through applications, speed up the travel, enhance the global communication and advance of a human development. Key areas of a importance: healthcare and medicines, vaccines and diagnostics, x-rays, scans and pacemakers, online health resources. They improved health and extended of their lifespans. Education, e-learning, smart classrooms and digital resources had been learned of a effective. Transportation, science and technology have made travel aeroplanes to cars. Srinidhi, can you say about the frontier of space and Gaganyaan beyond?
Yes, I can. The frontier of space, Gaganyaan and beyond. The year 2025 and 2026 stand as a golden era for Indian Space Research Organization. The Gaganyaan mission. After rigorous testing, the India-crowded first spaceflight mission is becoming centerpiece of national pride. By successfully launching India's astronaut into low Earth orbit and returning them safely, India is joined allied group of national and human capability. The Bharatiya Antariksha Station. 2026 saw a launch of first India's new space station. This facility is designed to be hub for microgravity experiments, the lunar exploration. Building on the successful Chandrayaan-3 and LUPEX mission lunar polar exploration, his collaboration with Japan has provided critical data on water ice at the Moon's South Pole.
And green hydrogen leaks? Yes, definitely. India's science and technology sectors was heavily focused on the National Green Hydrogen Mission. Electrolyzer manufacturing. By 2026, India became one of the most cost-effective producers of green hydrogen. Making green hydrogen available fuel for heavy industries like steel and cement. Advanced battery technology. Features into sodium-ion batteries and solid-state batteries have accelerated, providing the EV industry with cheaper and safer alternatives. Anvita, can you say about the semiconductor and electrician revolution?
One of the significant shifts in 2025-26 is India emergency high-grade semiconductor pool. The Indian semiconductor machine has came to the fusion with several fabrication plants becoming operational in states like Gujarat and Assam. India now manufacturing high-end chips for automotive, telecommunications and defensive sectors, reducing its reliance non-importance from East Asia. Electronic exports, mobile phones manufacturing high-ends for assembly, today manufacturing
to deep manufacturing in 2026, India is not just a leading exposed to the smartphones. Vidya, can you say about artificial intelligence and digital public infrastructure?
Sure, I can. Artificial intelligence and digital public infrastructure. India's stack, Aadhaar, UPI and etc. has evolved in a sophisticated AI integrated ecosystem. Bahashini and Linguistic AI to bridge digital divide, the government of Bahashini. AI platform allow for real-time, high accuracy translation across all 22 official Indian languages. AI in healthcare. In 2025 to 26, AI-driven diagnostic have been Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, Rural Health Center AI for skin diseases like tuberculosis and radiant cancer. Through low-cost image, significantly improving early detection and rates.
Bhuvneshri, can you say about quantum computing high status?
Yes, sure. The National Quantum Mission NQM has reached its milestones by 2026. India has developed intermediate scale quantum computers 5200 physical qubits. The quantum communication, secure quantum key distribution 2KB has now been used for strategic communication.
Sharan Kumar, can you say about Indian medical finance innovation and integration?
Yes, definitely. India's medical SLT in 2025 to 26 is marked by rapid tech integration, increasing R&D funding and expanding digital health. India's medical SLT in 2025 to 26. Integration, innovation and investment in 2025 to 26. The period of 2025 to 26 represents a pivotal phase in India's medical renaissance landscape and characterized by a strategic shift from technology creation to adoption.
Bhavyanjali, can you say about research and trust?
Yes, I should. Increasing funding is a rise in expenditure which signified elections in the 2025 to 26. Budget supports breakthroughs in vaccine development, medicine and aiding orbit post-pandemic needs.
Infrastructure and accessibility?
Yes, I can. The COVID app and Sanjeevani platform shows case in India capability to manage large-scale healthcare market growth. The sector is a projected for massive growth. More hospital beds, doctors, nurse demand in India is meeting with teach and driver solutions.
కొంచెం అటు ఇటు తిరగకు ఎందుకు ఏమవుతుంది ఏమన్నా
Rajkumar, can you say about renewable and sustainability?
Its energy transition by reaching 50% of its installed power capacity from non-fossil fuel sources in June 2025, 5 years ahead of its 2030 target. Solar and wind record additions. Solar capacity surpassed 100 GW in January 2025 by reaching 132.85 GW by November 2025. Green Hydrogen Mission. Incentives were awarded for 4,50,000 tons per annum TPA of green hydrogen production with green ammonia, prices achieving parity with grey ammonia.
Vaishnavi, can you say budget statistics 2025 to 2026?
Yes, sure. Budget statistics for the year 2025 to 26 in various fields by Indian government. In the Union budget for 2025 to 26, India significantly increased its investment in science and technology, allocating approximately 65,307 crores to its 6 major scientific agencies. This marks a major push towards self-reliance, Atmanirbhar Bharat and private sector lead innovation with a history. 20,000 crores specifically for private sector.
Ayan, can you say policy, research and infrastructure?
Yes, I can. Policy, research, infrastructure and talent. The government significantly increased R&D, foster innovation. Anusananda National Research Foundation, ANRF, the central body with new 1 lakh crore Research Development Innovation RDI.
Sahitya, can you say strategic vision and high impact?
Was allocated to increase the private sector lead research in a sunrise. Domains such as AI, Deep Tech as a startups. Deep Tech fund of fund a 10,000 crores was allocated to support next generation and startups.
Ushasri, can you say key budget to statics 2025 to 2026?
Yes, I can. Key percentage status from 2025 to 26. Department of Science Technology 23,290 crores, significant increase in previous year. Department of Space 13,416 crores, 13 significant in previous year. Council of Research 14,667 crores, increase in previous year.
Vaishnavi, can you say capacity building and infrastructure initiatives?
Yes, I can. Capacity building and infrastructure. Prime Minister Research Fellowship. The budget proposal providing 10,000 new fellowships for technological research at IITS and IISc over the next 5 years. Atal Tinkering Labs. The government announced plans to set up 50,000 Atals in government schools over 5 years at Faster, a scientific temple from a young age.
Satvika, can you say about more information statics impact?
Sure, I will. Space and Geospatial Missions. ISRO. Capital outlay for space research rose to 6,103 crores, supporting missions like Gaganyaan, Chandrayaan-4 and the Venus Orbiter. National Geospatial Missions. Launched with an initial 100 crore to modernize land records. Emerging Technologies. AI for Education. A new center of excellence was AI Education established with an outlay of 500 crore.
Conclusion. Thanking the organizers and staff. An event of this scale requires the coordination. I wish to praise of a organizing committee and technical team of tireless efforts. Thank you all once again resourcing this event successfully.